Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok comments. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok comments, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find that in this blue sign update you can click to update your app. If it's not working, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.